Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be sharing my recipe for fresh cucumber kimchi. There are so many ways to make cucumber kimchi, but this version is a favorite in my family. Let's dive in. So these are the ingredients for today. These are the Japanese cucumbers, 4 sticks, yellow onion here, so the chive here, the nira in Japanese, puchu in Korean. By the way, cucumber is oi in Korean. Japanese is a curry. To make the kimchi, we always need the salt. For kimchi seasonings today, we always need the red chili pepper powder. But if we made a white kimchi, pekimchi, we don't use this one. But generally, we use this red chili pepper powder. I usually purchase this chili pepper powder from Korean grocery store. Garlic and ginger, salted shrimp, seujo, amijio in Japanese. This is I'm using. I usually keep this in the freezer, so you can keep it longer and fresh. So like this. Today, I chop those shrimp. So this seujo we use to many other Korean recipes. So if you find this one in Korean grocery stores, maybe you can purchase and store in your freezer for more recipe to come from my channel. Plum syrup. This is a meseochong I'm using. I'm going to use the white sugar, sesame seed. So today there are 3 main steps. The first, we are going to cut the cucumbers and other vegetables, chives and onions. And second, we salt the cucumbers. And third, marinate the cucumber. Very simple, right? Only 3 steps. So please follow me to make the delicious, refreshing cucumber kimchi. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with the onion. This onion, I'm just going to slice. Then next, I'm going to cut the chive. Just cut. Here the yellow onion and chive. Next, I'm going to cut the cucumbers, and I'm going to make the cucumbers into 4 sticks. So cut into half first. Cut into half. So now it's 2 sticks. And next. So from here, I'm going to cut into 1 bite sizes. So in the bowl, I cut all cucumbers here and then put them in a bowl. Step 2, so we cut the cucumbers. I'm going to salt the cucumbers now. Today I'm using this Himalayan pink salt, so you can just sprinkle the salt over the cucumbers. About the portion of the salt, use a 3% salt ratio based on the weight of cucumbers. So today for 730 grams of cucumbers, you will need around 22 grams of salt. If you find this too salty, feel free to adjust the amount to suit your taste. Toss gently. Okay, once you toss evenly, you cover the cucumbers, then leave it for about 30 minutes. Around 15 minutes pass, I usually rotate from the bottom to the top. We finished the step 2. Now 15 minutes pass. It's time to rotate the cucumbers from the bottom to the top. The reason for this is that the cucumbers at the bottom tend to be softer than those on the surface. By changing their positions, I ensure that they are salted evenly. Just rotate. Cover the cucumbers again, leave it for another 15 minutes. Another 15 minutes pass. Let's check the cucumbers. Check the cucumbers. You see the water here, right? So I'm going to drain this water. Our final step, step 3, it's time to marinate the cucumbers. So I'm going to use a disposable glove. Let's get started. So the seasonings you can just pour into the cucumbers. This one is the ginger, garlic, salted shrimp. This one we chopped. Okay. Gently toss. The sugar, plum syrup, red chili pepper powder. The amount of the red chili pepper powder, please adjust to your taste. Okay, I'm gonna add the sesame seed too. And I'm going to add sliced onion here. Chive. Toss everything thoroughly. Then we finish making the fresh cucumber kimchi. So today we made fresh cucumber kimchi. Once you finish making the kimchi, you can keep the kimchi in the airtight container. And then when you eat, so this one is a fresh type of kimchi. Soon after you made, you can enjoy the kimchi. So when you enjoy the kimchi, this is my daughter's favorite. Pour in sesame oil, enhance the flavor of the kimchi. You enjoy. Of course, as it is a very delicious mashisaya. If you have any questions about this recipe, please leave your comments. Hope you enjoy making the fresh cucumber kimchi with me today. Thank you for watching. If you like today's cooking video, please do not forget to subscribe my channel or like or leave your comment. Thank you so much. 감사합니다. 사랑해요.